How to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. If any day any of you are a TikTok user and you would like to hide your TikTok account from your contacts on the TikTok but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search TikTok out there. After you search TikTok out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the very TikTok application, and after you tap on the very TikTok application, you can see that TikTok will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you have to go to the option of friends there. After you go to the option of the friends on your very TikTok account, on the very TikTok application on your mobile device, now you have to wait for a while until the very internet connection is stable as well, and you can see how the various kind of friends there. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the next option. You can go to the option of the profile once again, and after you move to the option of the profile, you can go to the three lines on the top and then go to the option of settings and privacy. Now after you tap on the option of settings and privacy, you can see an interface like this. Now after you go to the very option of the settings and privacy like this, now what you have to do is you can go to the option of the security and the permissions here. If you find any of the option out there, you can go to the option of the privacy as well, and you can go to the option of suggest your account to others and tap there, and you have to disable all of the options of the contacts like this, the Facebook friends, the people who open or send links to you. So this way you can just hide your very TikTok account from the various kind of contacts. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.